Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nacho sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of whole milk. Also, have 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese ready, along with a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper for that perfect flavor. This simple combination creates a rich, creamy sauce that's far better than anything from a jar. Now, let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat until it's bubbly. Next, whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour and cook for about 1 minute, stirring constantly to create a smooth roux. This is the base for our creamy sauce. Slowly pour in 1 cup of milk, whisking continuously to ensure there are no lumps and the mixture is perfectly smooth. Keep whisking until it thickens slightly. Once your milk mixture has thickened, reduce the heat to low. This is crucial to prevent the cheese from seizing. Gradually add your 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, stirring constantly until it's completely melted and smooth. Don't rush this step. Patience ensures a silky, lump-free sauce. Finally, stir in a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper to taste, adjusting as needed for your perfect flavor. Your delicious, homemade nacho cheese sauce is now ready. Serve it immediately over a generous pile of tortilla chips. For an extra touch, garnish with sliced jalapenos, fresh cilantro, or a dollop of sour cream. This sauce is also fantastic on fries, hot dogs, or even as a dip for pretzels. It's incredibly versatile and always a crowd pleaser. And hey, while you're enjoying your snack, be sure to check the description for a link to a book that could truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.